Hello everyone, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. I am here with another video and another smoothie. You know I love my smoothie because it's the fastest thing to go in the morning is my smoothie. Yes, so I have 4 berries here. 4 strawberries, blackberries, blueberry, and raspberry. And I also have the yogurt for those berries. And I have a banana here. I have in my container there half teaspoon of allspice, tablespoonful of vanilla, and I have 2.5 cups of milk, almond milk. Okay, so you know my strawberry over here, and my strawberry is it's very good health benefit, all these things. The strawberry is very good for your hormone. Yes, and it lower your cholesterol. Yes, the banana over there, oh God, fibers. For potassium, my banana here. The blueberry, lower your blood pressure and boosts your immune system. And it's good for your heart, brains, food, this. Just have it in the morning. Oh God, 1 cup and you're gone. And the blackberry here, oh Lord, very good. It kill all cancer cells. This one here, very good. And the raspberry also kill the cancer cell. And it's good for you. If you have any stress, just get up in the morning, have a cup of this, man, and you're gone clear. Whole heap of benefit. I can't tell you all of the benefit. You have to look it up. But I'm telling you, all these things, and we all know it. It's full of health benefit. So, okay? So stay with me right now. I'm going to wash these already. I prepare my food already. So I'm going to put it in my blender. And I said, it's a smoothie. Okay, so stay with me. My blender is over here. Okay, I'm gonna put everything in the blender. I'm gonna peel the banana. Everything wash and clean. Okay, this is my blender over here. This is my blackberry. My raspberry. I hope everything fits. My blender is a big one. My blueberries. Okay. My strawberries. Of course it can hold. I don't have to cut the strawberry. Oh, it can hold, right? I hope so. And this is my milk. Okay. My allspice. My vanilla. And my yogurts. This is a mixed yogurt. This is all the berry in it. I don't think it too much. That's good, man. That is good. Take out everything out of it. I think it's too much in there. You don't think it's too much? This must finish now, man. Okay. All right, let me take it from here. Wow, I know it's too full. Put it out here. Wow. All my berries, look. It's not too thin. Wow. Mmm. Right amount. Right amount. Choose some in this one. Okay. Okay. My smoothie has finished. I have a strawberry, a blueberry. I don't know if it can hold because it's not so thick, but I don't care. I don't care. Good. Good. Look. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. And I know it's gonna taste nice. Let me taste. Cheers. Wow. Wow, wow. Guys, remember, wow, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, share with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Thank you all for watching. Okay, bye from now. Very, very nice. Wow.